This is Saltite, a powerful salt adhesive. It's perfect for bonding Himalayan salt bricks securely. Now, I'm applying a smooth layer of adhesive onto the brick surface. Once the glue is evenly spread, we place the brick exactly where it needs to go. I'm building a small salt wall along one side of my home. Now I'll place the second brick. Just like before, I apply Saltite to this new brick, and I also add adhesive to the edge of the first brick. Next, I apply glue on top. And carefully place the next brick above it. Again, I apply Saltite to the side of this upper brick and to the brick that will join it. Brick by brick, I continue the process until the wall takes shape. After placing all the bricks, I added soft LED lights around the edges, and this is the final result.